Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. We are from Group 12 and we will present about Physarum polycephalum. So first, let me introduce you to our team members. Nur Afika binti Muhammad Shukri, Nur Ain Nabila binti Syaiful Nizam, Nur Syahira Alia binti Mazlan, Nur Lydia M1 Natasha binti Suhaini, and me, myself, Nur Badrisha Erdina binti Edi Shawal.
Physarum polycephalum, also known as the many-head zymode, is indeed a remarkable organism. Its special characteristics have fascinated scientists for years. Researchers have found it commonly inhabiting cool, damp environments such as forest floor, where it thrives on decaying organic matter like leaves and wood. Despite being a single-colored organism, Physarum polycephalum contains multiple nuclei and can grow to considerable sizes. As shown, this is taxonomic description of Physarum polycephalum. Physarum polycephalum is under kingdom Protista, which phylum is Amoebozoa. The class is Myzogastria, order Physarales, family Physarisia, genus Physarum, and species is Physarum polycephalum.
So now, I will explain about the habitat of Physarum polycephalum. As you all know, Physarum polycephalum thrives in cool, moist, and dim environments such as the forest understory or forest floor. It naturally occurs in nature on damp, wood, soil, and also various types of vegetation. Next, I will tell you about the fun fact of Physarum polycephalum. Did you know that Physarum polycephalum can solve complex problems with the nervous system? It navigates mazes, finds the shortest paths between food sources, and optimizes transport networks like efficient road systems. This showcases its adaptive intelligence using decentralized information processing through cytoplasmic streaming and chemical signaling.
Now I will give you the list of characteristics of Physarum polycephalum. First, let's look at their morphology or general characteristics. Physarum polycephalum are resembling fungi in that they are saprophytic, consisting fungus-like body or and thread-like structure called hyphae. Their cell containing centriole and their cell wall are built from cellulose instead of chitin in fungi. They are also heterotrophic, which is cannot make their own food on their own. They are primarily feed on bacteria, fungus spores, and other microorganisms through phagocytosis. Physarum is eukaryotic and is capable of ingesting matter by phagocytosis. The cells are multinucleate, forming a thin film called plasmodium that spread across its substrate, often with visible branching channel occurring within the structure. Lastly, they can be several centimeters in size and can survive in an inactive state for a prolonged period. Next, let's look at their mode of nutrient. Physarum polycephalum have a different type of feeding process by performing plasmodium, which is a multinucleate mass of cytoplasm. The plasmodium is slimy and creeps along the wet substance, forming a network of channels that covers large surface area. As it creeps along, it ingests bacteria, spores, and decaying organic matters. Physarum polycephalum have a several unique characteristics. First, they are chemotaxis. Physarum polycephalum exhibits strong chemotactic behavior, moving toward chemical signal from food source and away from harmful substance. Next is their regeneration and adaptability. If the plasmodium is fragmented, each piece can regenerate into a new, fully functional plasmodium. This regenerative ability showcases its adaptability and resilience. Third is their reproduction process. Under unfavorable conditions, the plasmodium forms sporangia that produce spores. These spores can survive harsh conditions and germinate into a new amoeboid cell when condition is improved. Lastly, they have a very bright yellow color. The plasmodial stage often exhibit a bright yellow color, making it easily identifiable.
My name is Nuridia Emizatul Natasha binti Sohaini with my student ID 2022855224. Life cycle of Physarum polycephalum in plasmodial form. Number 1. Physarum is mostly observed in diploid plasmodial form. Next, Physarum polycephalum exists as a single large cell containing multiple diploid nuclei that replicate their DNA and divide synchronously. Plasmodium will sporulate once it is soft and exposed to light. In early sporulation, the organism produces the floating bodies that show as bumps on the plasmodium surface. These bumps will evolve into stalk-like structure that protrude from the plasmodium surface. Next, when there is enough moisture, the haploid and the single nucleus of amoeba emerge from the spores. The amoeba can change into two forms, which are flagellate or cyst. And lastly, amoeba will form a cyst with protective walls when it runs out of food or exposed to dryness. Hmm, what are the type of reproduction of Physarum polycephalum? It is sexual reproduction. Number one, in Physarum polycephalum, swarm cells directly function as planogametes A. Number two, after liberation, they will swim with rotary movement and then in contact at their sticky posterior ends in pairs B. Number three, fusion starts at their posterior ends. The cytoplasm fuses with cytoplasm and nucleus with nucleus. Number four, the young zygote, the swarm is at first binucleate and flagellate. Number five, the zygote C has a single diploid nucleus. Next, as a result of subsequent growth, repeated karyokinesis, but there are no cytokinesis. So zygote will gradually become changed into a large multinucleate amoeboid mass of protoplasm, which is the macroplasmodium D. And lastly, the young diploid plasmodia may combine with zygote or are the same species of plasmodia to form a single layer plasmodium. Thank you.
Next, I will be talking about the important Physarum polycephalum to our ecosystem and in economy. First, as a decomposer. My first point in nutrient recycling. Physarum polycephalum decomposes organic matter, breaking down dead plant material and releasing nutrients back into the soil for other organisms. Next point is in soil health. By decomposing organic matter, it helps maintain healthy soil ecosystem, promoting plant growth and supporting a diverse range of soil organisms. Second, as an indicator species. Physarum polycephalum can serve as a bioindicator to assess ecosystem health, providing information about environmental quality and stability through its presence and evidence. Third, as a food source, Physarum polycephalum serves as a food source for various small invertebrates and microorganisms, thus supporting the food web and contributing to biodiversity. So I'll be talking about the important in our economy. First, as a scientific research, Physarum polycephalum is used in research for its unique abilities such as mass navigation and network optimization, aiding studies in cell biology, motility, and decision making. Next, used as a bioinformatics. Its behavior has inspired algorithms for network optimization and solving complex problems in bioinformatics and computer science. Second, we use as a biotechnology. Its unique properties have potential application in developing new materials and understanding biological processes that can be translated into technological innovation. Third, it can be used as an education. Physarum polycephalum is used in biology classroom to demonstrate life principles, cellular movement, and behavior due to its visibility and ease of cultivation.
In conclusion, Physarum polycephalum stands out as fascinating organism due to its distinct biology and behaviors. Within ecosystem, it serves a vital function as it breaks down organic matter, thus contributing significantly to nutrient cycling. Despite its lack of nervous system, Physarum polycephalum exhibits remarkable problem-solving skills, such as navigating maze and optimizing nutrient paths. These behaviors provide valuable insight into rudimentary forms of intelligence and decision making. The ongoing explorations of Physarum polycephalums carry sustainable implications. It sparked advancement in biocomputing by inspiring the development of algorithms for network optimization. Moreover, its study holds promise for progress in fields like material science and robotics. Further investigation into this organism could be depends on our understanding of both natural and artificial intelligence.
That's all from us. Thank you for watching.